Assalamu alaikum. I'm engineer Hamna Shakil. In this video, we will learn how to find area under the curve using AutoCAD. So let's say you have got this raw data. The values that you want to plot on x-axis should be in column 1 and the values you want to plot on y-axis should be in column number 2. Let's say you want to first convert this raw data into processed data by dividing the values of x and y by a certain number. So let's say for x, you want to divide the values of x by 2, press enter, and you want to do it for the whole column of x values. Simply double click on the bottom right of this cell and the formula will be copied throughout the column. So all these values of x from raw data are being divided by 2 here in the process data. Similarly, let's say you want to divide these values of y by 100. So click on this cell, press equal to on the keyboard, select the value of y from raw data column divided by 100. Press enter, and now we want to copy this formula throughout the column. So double click on this bottom right corner of this cell and the formula will be copied throughout. If you want to plot this data in Excel, simply select these two values, press Ctrl, Shift and downward button on your keyboard and the whole data will be selected. Go to Insert, Charts and select this smooth line curve. Let's say you want to find area under this curve. You can use AutoCAD to very easily find the area under this curve. So I've made this column for AutoCAD. Click on this cell, press equal to on the keyboard, select the value of x from process data, type AND command, press apostrophe, then comma, again apostrophe, AND symbol, and then select the value of y. So you can here see the formula, press enter. Now we want to copy this formula throughout this column. Click on this cell and double click on the bottom right of this cell and the formula has been copied throughout the column. Select this data, copy it, go to your AutoCAD. Because we want a smooth line curve, use the command spline. Click on the command line, press Ctrl V on the keyboard to paste the data, press enter, and you can see here that your graph has been plotted. Use line command to close this curve. Select the whole drawing. Use join command to convert this drawing into a single object. Use measure command. Click on area, object and select this object and you will get the area under this curve. So the area under this curve is 22.5.